Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to find CapCut templates. This is quick and simple, so just follow me. First, go ahead and open your TikTok app. Once here, go type and search for CapCut templates. Now, as you can see, there is a lot of videos here in TikTok using a CapCut edit. And you can use them also by clicking this as a template. Once you tap on this, you will be redirected to the CapCut app. And once you are here at the CapCut app, you just have to upload videos that you want with this template being used. So there you have it. Very simple and easy. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.